If you're applying for jobs in the United States, you may have seen employers asking for OSHA training or workplace safety knowledge. But do you really need OSHA training to get hired? The answer depends on the job you are applying for, and in many cases, having OSHA training can actually give you an advantage over other candidates. In this video, we will explain when OSHA training is required, why employers value it, and how it can help you get hired faster. What is OSHA training? OSHA stands for the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, which sets workplace safety standards in the United States. OSHA training helps employees understand workplace hazards, safety procedures, and how to prevent accidents. This training is commonly required in industries where employees may be exposed to physical risks, equipment, or hazardous environments. Do you need OSHA training to get a job? The answer is not always required, but often preferred. In many industries, employers prefer candidates who already understand workplace safety rules. For example, construction jobs often require OSHA safety training. Warehouse and manufacturing jobs benefit from safety knowledge. Healthcare and logistics roles may also require basic safety awareness. If you already have OSHA training, it shows employers that you are prepared and understand workplace responsibilities. Why employers value OSHA training? Employers prefer candidates with OSHA training because it reduces training time and improves workplace safety. Hiring someone who already understands safety procedures means fewer accidents and better compliance with regulations. It also shows that the candidate is proactive and serious about working in a professional environment. This can give you an advantage over other applicants who do not have any safety training. How OSHA training helps you get hired faster. When you apply for jobs, especially entry-level roles, you are often competing with many candidates. Having OSHA training can help you stand out because it adds value to your profile. It shows that you understand workplace safety, are ready to follow regulations, can contribute to a safe working environment. This can increase your chances of getting selected for interviews and job opportunities. When you should take OSHA training? You should consider OSHA training if you are planning to work in industries such as construction, manufacturing, warehousing, healthcare support roles, transportation and logistics. Even if it is not required, having this training can improve your job prospects. Where you can learn OSHA training? Many organizations offer OSHA-related training programs that help employees understand workplace safety and compliance requirements. If you want to learn more about workplace safety training, you can explore online courses available at compliancecoursesonline.com. These courses are designed to help employees build knowledge of safety practices and workplace compliance standards across different industries. OSHA training may not always be required for every job, but it can definitely improve your chances of getting hired in many industries. By understanding workplace safety and compliance requirements, you can position yourself as a more prepared and valuable candidate. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos about workplace compliance training, employee safety, and professional development across different industries.